Got a nice bite from that corner. Let's see what happens. There you go. Bluegill. Yep. Ah, just let it go. It wasn't hooked correctly. But it's all good. Tangle everything up, but it's all good. There you go. Ah, bluegill. Pretty sure it's a bluegill. Yep, little bluegill. It's nice. Nice. There's quite a few here, so it's gonna be a lot here. Oh my. Gotcha. Gotcha, baby. What are you? Oh, not what I thought it was. Hey, get your hand in the water, buddy. Hey, you're gonna go in the water.
Come here.
For the third time. He's been bathing all day. Another bluegill. Yeah, it's a bluegill. Ah, it's okay. It's all good. But there's something in there bigger because what I was getting was not bluegill bites.